Hey everybody, what's up? It's your boy Haz here. And let me tell you something, I am pumped for this one. We're diving deep into the wild world of cardio. Yeah, you heard me right, cardio. I know, it's not exactly the sexiest topic. People think it's all about jogging for hours on a treadmill, getting bored out of your mind. But trust me on this, there's a whole lot more to it than meets the eye. We're gonna break down the myths, the science, and the straight-up truth about cardio. Get ready to upgrade your workout and your life because things are about to get real.
All right, let's talk about this idea that cardio is the magic bullet for fat burning. I'm sure you've heard it a million times. Want to lose weight? Just hop on the treadmill. And yeah, there's some truth to it. Any movement is better than parking your butt on the couch all day.
But here's the thing, it's not as simple as calories in, calories out. It's like saying the only reason to lift weights is to get jacked. Sure, you'll build some muscle, but you're also getting stronger, improving your bone density, boosting your metabolism. The benefits go on and on. Same goes for cardio. You're not just torching calories, you're building a stronger heart, improving your lung capacity, increasing blood flow to your brain. It's like a tune-up for your entire system. Now don't get me wrong, burning fat is great and all, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. If you're serious about transforming your body, you gotta look at the bigger picture, and that means understanding that cardio is about so much more than just shedding pounds. It's about improving your overall health and well-being, inside and out. So next time you're sweating it out on the elliptical, remember this. You're not just burning fat, you're building a better, more resilient you. And that, my friends, is something worth getting fired up about.
Now let's talk intensity, baby. When it comes to cardio, it's not just about how long you go, it's about how hard you push. Think of it like this. You wouldn't just lift the same weight every time you hit the gym, right? You gotta switch it up, challenge your muscles in different ways to keep growing.
Same goes for your heart and lungs. If you're stuck doing the same boring cardio routine day after day, your body adapts and you hit a plateau. You gotta shock the system, keep it guessing. That's where high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, comes in. This stuff is like rocket fuel for your metabolism. Short bursts of all-out effort, followed by brief recovery periods. It's like sprinting up a hill, catching your breath, and then doing it again. It's intense, it's challenging, but damn, it gets results. And the best part? HIIT workouts are usually over in a flash, so you can get in, get after it, and get on with your day. But hold on, before you go thinking HIIT is the only way to go, remember, variety is the spice of life. Low-intensity steady-state cardio, or LISS, has its place too. Think long walks, easy jogs, that kind of thing. It's great for recovery, for building endurance, and for those days when you just need to clear your head and chill out.
Let's get real for a second. We all know exercise is good for our bodies. But what about our minds? You see, when you get that heart rate up, something magical happens. Your brain gets flooded with endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that have you saying, hey, life's not so bad after all.
It's like a natural mood booster, and trust me, we can all use a little more of that these days. But it goes deeper than just a quick hit of happiness. Cardio has been shown to reduce stress, ease anxiety, and even combat symptoms of depression. It's like hitting the reset button on your brain, giving you a fresh perspective on things. And let's not forget about the cognitive benefits. Regular cardio can sharpen your focus, boost your memory, and even improve your sleep. It's like giving your brain a serious upgrade, and who wouldn't want that? So next time you're feeling overwhelmed, stressed, or just mentally drained, lace up those sneakers and go for a run, a swim, a bike ride, whatever gets you moving, because not only will you be doing your body a world of good, but you'll also be giving your mind the TLC it deserves.
All right, let's talk about something that nobody really wants to hear, but we gotta keep it real. Overtraining.
Just like with anything else in life, you can have too much of a good thing, and cardio is no exception.
Pushing your body too hard, too often can lead to burnout, injuries, and even mess with your hormones. Trust me, I've been there, and it ain't pretty.
So how do you know if you're overdoing it? Well, your body will tell you if you're listening.
Are you constantly exhausted, even after a good night's sleep? Are you sore all the time, and those aches and pains just won't quit?
Are you feeling more irritable than usual, like you're about to snap? If you're nodding your head to any of this, it might be time to ease off the gas pedal and give your body a break.
Remember, Rest and recovery are just as important as the workouts themselves. It's during those downtime periods that your muscles rebuild and get stronger, and your body repairs itself.
So don't be afraid to take a day off, or even a whole week if you need it. Listen to your body, it knows what it's talking about.
Let's be real, you can't outrun a bad diet.
It doesn't matter how many miles you're logging or how many burpees you're busting out. If you're still fueling your body with junk, you're not going to see the results you want.
Think of it like this. You wouldn't put cheap gas in a Ferrari, would you?
Your body is a high-performance machine, and it deserves premium fuel. I'm talking whole, unprocessed foods, the kind of stuff our ancestors ate. Fruits, vegetables, lean protein, healthy fats.
This is the stuff that's going to give you the energy you need to crush your workouts, recover properly, and build a lean, mean physique.
Now, I'm not saying you have to go full-on rabbit food and swear off all the good stuff. Life's too short to be miserable.
But you gotta find that balance, you know? Treat your body right most of the time, and you can indulge every now and then without feeling guilty.
Remember, abs are made in the kitchen, as they say. So if you're serious about getting in the best shape of your life, start by cleaning up your diet.
Let's talk about the long game, the big picture.
See, the thing about cardio, about any kind of fitness journey really, is that it's not about quick fixes or overnight transformations.
It's about consistency, about showing up day after day, even when you don't feel like it.
It's about building those habits, those rituals that become so ingrained in your routine that you don't even think twice about it.
And here's the thing, the more you do it, the easier it gets. That's the power of adaptation.
Your body starts to crave those endorphin rushes, those moments of clarity and focus.
You start to see the changes, not just in the mirror, but in the way you feel. More energy, more confidence, more resilience.
And that's when it hits you. This isn't just about looking good in a bathing suit, it's about becoming the best version of yourself, inside and out.
It's about pushing your limits, proving to yourself that you're capable of more than you ever thought possible.
So there you have it, folks. The real deal on cardio. It's not just about burning calories or fitting into those skinny jeans, it's about so much more than that. It's about investing in your health, your well-being, your sanity even. It's about building a stronger, more resilient you from the inside out. So get out there, find what moves you, and make it a part of your life. Trust me, your body and mind will thank you for it.